Pura vida, Costa Rica! Yay! On the backside of the slope of volcano Paz, you will find La Paz Waterfall Garden. It's a place I can recommend every tourist to visit. You see amazing animals, you see amazing waterfalls, so check out and come over here. From Paz Volcano, where we have a video, find the link in the description. It's just a 30-minute car ride to La Paz Waterfall Gardens. Or as I would recommend, you visit in the morning Paz Volcano, and from there you drive back to Fraijanes, visit the restaurant Fredo Fresas. We have a video in the link description. And from there you drive to Waterfall Gardens. It's about halfway. But also you could eat dinner or lunch at Waterfall Gardens. It's up to you what you prefer. So you go here basically over crazy stair constructions directly in middle of the jungle down to the deepest pools, looking to the waterfalls we will see down there. Amazing construction. This is an amazing place. Waterfall Garden La Paz. La Paz Waterfall Garden. This is what waterfalls they have around here, and they have multiples of them. So come over and check it out. It's an amazing experience. In the middle of the jungle, perfectly usable walking paths. It's great. Hello, pura vida. Pura vida, Costa Rica! Yay!
Yoga